Hello and welcome back. Today, we have an exhilarating update for all the automotive enthusiasts out there. According to the latest official announcements from BMW, the highly anticipated 2025 BMW M9 is set to redefine the supercar landscape with groundbreaking advancements in performance, design, and technology. At the heart of the 2025 BMW M9 lies a formidable hybrid powertrain that seamlessly blends a twin-turbocharged 4.4-liter V8 engine with an electric motor. This combination delivers a staggering total output of approximately 850 horsepower, a significant enhancement over previous models. This powertrain propels the M9 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 3 seconds, with a top speed exceeding 200 mph. The integration of the electric motor not only boosts acceleration, but also improves fuel efficiency and reduces emissions, showcasing BMW's commitment to sustainable high performance. The exterior design of the M9 has undergone a revolutionary transformation. BMW has introduced sharper lines and a wider stance, enhancing both aesthetics and aerodynamics. The aggressive front fascia features a distinctive kidney grille flanked by sleek LED headlights, while large air intakes and a sculpted hood emphasize the car's performance capabilities. The rear is equally striking, with slim LED taillights and a pronounced diffuser housing quad exhaust outlets. These design elements not only provide a bold visual statement, but also contribute to improved high-speed stability and handling. Stepping inside, the 2025 M9 offers a driver-focused, fully digital cockpit. The cabin is adorned with premium materials such as leather and Alcantara, complemented by customizable ambient lighting. A large high-resolution touchscreen infotainment system seamlessly integrates with a fully digital instrument cluster, providing real-time performance data, navigation, and connectivity features. Advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, ensure both safety and convenience, making the M9 as practical as it is exhilarating. In terms of technology, the M9 is equipped with the latest BMW operating system 8.5, offering an intuitive user interface and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The vehicle also features over-the-air updates, ensuring that the software remains current without the need for dealership visits. The inclusion of advanced connectivity options such as 5G capability and a premium sound system elevates the overall driving experience, keeping occupants connected and entertained on every journey. BMW has also focused on enhancing the M9's handling dynamics. The car features an adaptive suspension system with electronically controlled dampers, allowing drivers to tailor the ride quality to their preferences. The M9's chassis has been reinforced with model-specific bracing elements, increasing torsional rigidity and improving cornering performance. Additionally, the vehicle is equipped with an advanced all-wheel drive system that offers multiple driving modes, including a rear-wheel drive setting for purists seeking an unfiltered driving experience. Production of the 2025 BMW M9 will be limited, underscoring its exclusivity and appeal to collectors and enthusiasts alike. Pricing is expected to start at approximately $200,000, positioning the M9 competitively within the supercar segment. This strategic pricing reflects the vehicle's advanced technology, exceptional performance, and luxurious features, making it a compelling option for those seeking a blend of innovation and driving exhilaration. In summary, the 2025 BMW M9 represents a monumental leap forward in automotive engineering, combining cutting-edge hybrid technology with breathtaking design and unparalleled performance. BMW's official confirmation of these details reaffirms their dedication to pushing the boundaries of what a supercar can be. We eagerly anticipate the opportunity to experience the M9 firsthand and share more insights with you in the near future. Thank you for tuning in to this exclusive update. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay informed about the latest automotive news and reviews. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.